Ever wondered how to make the perfect soft dough? Wonder no more. Today we're unlocking the mystery behind this baking marvel. Soft dough, the unsung hero in the world of baking, lends itself to a myriad of recipes. From your favorite pizza to that soft, buttery brioche. It's the foundation of many culinary delights. You might be surprised to learn that the process of creating soft dough is simpler than you might think. So, ready to dive into the world of soft dough? Hold on to your whisks. First things first, gather your champions for this doughy battle. We need flour, water, yeast, salt, and a dash of sugar. Remember, fresh is always best for unbeatable results. Got your ingredients ready? Great! Now let's move on to the real action. Now, onto the battlefield. The mixing bowl. Here's where the magic truly begins. We combine our ingredients, paying special attention to the yeast and sugar, our secret weapons in creating a soft dough. You see, the yeast feeds on the sugar, resulting in a beautiful rise. But what gives our dough its soft, elastic texture? Kneading. This process develops gluten, the protein that makes our dough stretchy and oh so delicious. Finished kneading? Excellent. But we're not done yet. Now, it's time to let our dough rise to the occasion. This crucial stage is where the magic happens, as the dough expands and becomes light and fluffy. It's a game of patience, but the results are worth it. Patiently waiting for the dough to rise? Perfect. You're almost there. And now, the moment of truth. Unveiling the perfect soft dough. We've journeyed through the magic of assembling ingredients, the intimate dance of mixing and kneading, and the patient wait for our rising star. Each of these steps has played a crucial role, shaping the dough's texture and flavor. The right ingredients, the gentle kneading, and the patient wait. All these elements combined have led us to this point. And there you have it. The perfect soft dough, ready to be transformed into your favorite baked goodies. Happy